Here are the 3 main ways you can implement Zoho for your company. First, DIY configuration. Use in-house resources and a variety of online tutorials. This option is good when you have standardized business processes, and you don't need much customization to Zoho's default functionality. Of course, you will need coachable, tech-savvy resources as there's a learning curve to getting up to speed on all things Zoho. Second, hire a Zoho partner like Customization who specializes in Zoho configuration. Tapping into the expert knowledge saves you time, effort, and money. An experienced partner will help. Define the Zoho implementation roadmap for your company. Document what applications you need to use. The specific steps needed to implement the applications. Training for your staff to use the new system as well. And lastly, hire freelance resources on one of the platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This is a less expensive option than a Zoho partner. Make sure you choose a reliable freelancer who is capable of delivering a complete solution, especially when you have unique industry or business process requirements.